Well, I listened to Eric Prouty, and he suggested using a blowtorch on the Octopus to clean it up. I didn't quite use a blowtorch. I used my heat gun where I could set it at 150 degrees and then 175 and then 200 I finally settled on. That really got rid of the stringing quite well and really easily. Thank you, Eric. The eye problem, this side you can sort of see there's a hole that goes all the way through. And I'm not sure if that's supposed to be an eye stalk or what. The other side doesn't have a hole that goes all the way through. Whatever it's supposed to be, I don't think it printed correctly. But I do like the way it cleaned up. Still a great first print in my humble opinion. Flexible filament is really hard to print. Got some ideas about how to make it even better.